In primetime news this evening, guilty. Former NCB manager admits to stealing more than $100 million from employer. Monstrous. Police hunt execution-style killer who video recorded daylight murder. And unclaimed. $300 million in government's cash care uncollected. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, I'll have the business day. Karen Madden will have Primetime Sports. Oral Tracy will have sports commentary. Deidre E-Prime and Romain will have your weather report and forecast. But before all of that, we need your response to our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on government's plan to use extra lessons to help fix the learning gap among Jamaican students? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.